Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to easily optimize your Windows 11 for gaming with simple step-by-step instructions. Whether you're using a low-end or high-end PC, laptop, or desktop, these tips will work for you. I hope you find this video helpful, so be sure to watch until the end to get the most out of these tweaks. With all that said, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Storage Optimization. First, search for Settings on your PC and click Open. In the Settings window, select System from the menu. Next, scroll down and click on Storage. Here you'll find an option called Storage Sense. Click on it. Make sure to enable the option that says, Keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary files and app files. For user content cleanup, toggle Storage Sense to On, and set it to run every day. Adjust the settings to delete files in the recycle bin after 14 days, and set the Downloads folder to never delete files. Finally, scroll down and click Run Storage Sense to manually clean up now. Once the process is complete, close the window. Step 2. Adjust performance settings. First, open File Explorer and head over to this PC. Right-click on this PC and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Advanced System Settings on the left side of the window. In the new window that opens, go to the Performance section and click Settings. Here, select Adjust for Best Performance to turn off unnecessary visual effects. But make sure to check the option for smooth edges of screen fonts so your text remains easy to read. Once done, click Apply and then OK to confirm the changes. Step 3. Power settings for maximum performance. Now, open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Go to Hardware and Sound, and then click on Power Options. Under Choose or Customize a Power Plan, click Change Plan Settings, and next click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to Processor Power Management, and make sure both Minimum Processor State and Maximum Processor State are set to 100%. Click Apply and OK to save your settings. Step 4. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and open Task Manager. Switch to the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that launch when you start your computer. Disable any programs that you don't need by right-clicking on them and selecting Disable. Step 5. Turn off Windows Search to speed up performance. Next, open the Start menu and type Services, then click to open the Services app. Scroll through the list until you find Windows Search. Right-click on Windows Search and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down menu, choose Disabled, then click Stop to stop the service. Hit Apply, then OK to finalize the changes. Step 6. Adjust graphic settings. To boost gaming performance, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Graphic Settings. Next, click on Change Default Graphic Settings. Here, turn on optimizations for windowed games. If you see the option for hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling, make sure to turn it on. If you don't find this option, don't worry. It's normal on some systems. After enabling these options, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Step 7. Set games to high performance. Once your PC restarts, go back to Graphics Settings. Scroll down and under Choose an App to set preference, select the game you want to optimize. If your game isn't listed, click Browse to find it. Once selected, click on Options and choose High Performance. This will force your game to use your dedicated GPU, giving you better FPS. Step 8. Optimize boot settings. In the Start menu, search for Misconfig and open System Configuration. Switch to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. Check the box that says Number of Processors, then select the highest number available. Click OK and restart your PC. Step 9. adjust virtual memory. After restarting, open File Explorer and go back to this PC. Right-click and select Properties again, then click on Advanced System Settings on the left. Under the Performance section, click Settings, then go to the Advanced tab. In the Virtual Memory section, click Change. Uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select Custom Size and enter values based on your RAM size. For example, if you have 16 GB of RAM, type 16384 in both the initial size and maximum size fields. Click Set, then OK, and restart your PC again. Step 9. Clean up temporary files. Now press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. Type temp and hit OK. A folder will open with temporary files. Press Ctrl and A at the same time to select all files, and then press Delete to remove them. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, just check the Do This for All Current Items box and click Skip. It's perfectly fine to leave those files alone. After that, close the folder. Press Windows plus R again, type %temp%, and hit OK. Repeat the same process, select all files using Ctrl plus A, and delete them. After that, close the folder. Finally, press Windows plus R one last time, type prefetch, and hit Enter. You may be prompted for permission, just click Continue. Again, select all files and delete them. Step 10. Run Disk Cleanup. In the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup and open it. By default, the C drive will be selected. Click OK, and then a new window will appear. Check all the boxes, including the Recycle bin, if you don't need to restore any deleted files. Also, check Temporary Files, Thumbnails, Delivery Optimization Files, and Temporary Internet Files. You'll see how much space will be freed. This will help improve your system's performance by removing unnecessary junk. Afterward, click on Clean Up System Files, select the C drive again, and click OK, and once that's done, press OK again. If you encounter a new pop-up saying, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files?" click Delete Files. Step 11. Enable Game Mode. The last step is to enable Game Mode for optimal gaming performance. This will ensure that your PC dedicates more system resources to your games. To enable it, open Settings and go to Gaming. Next, click on Game Mode and turn on the toggle. Once you've made these changes, your PC will be better optimized for gaming. And that's it. I hope these tips help you significantly boost your gaming performance on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.